Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to send instance variables from a controller to a Ruby template file in Ruby on Rails. So let's get started. So first I'll just move this a little bit over here so that you can see my full output. I've just created a simple Ruby on Rails application and I have started the server. Now let's see. So firstly I need to create one controller because I don't want this default page. I don't like it. So what I can do is we can just use the command Rails generate controller. Now for me I need to append this rb env exec. It's because my setup for Ruby on Rails is little bit messy, that's why, but you don't have to type out this. In case if you have installed Ruby on Rails, perfectly fine, you can just start typing from Rails. Then you just have to write generate controller, and you can give it whatever name you feel like. I'll just give it as main, and I can create an index page. If you want to create more pages, you can do something like this, new page, edit page as well. I'll just click on enter, and if I just go back, if I go to routes.rb, I just go to config routes.rb, and here you can see it has added those routes. Now I need to tell Ruby on Rails that this main index page should be the main route for me. So for that, what I can do, I can just create one route and I can just do main hashtag index. I will save this, and if I now refresh, okay, my server is down. I'll just start my server. Okay, and I'll refresh, and here you can see this is our main index page. If you want to see where this is located, you can just go to app, views, and it has created this main, and inside we'll have to go to index.html, and if I just remove this p tag here, and if I refresh, here you can see it has been removed. So yeah, now I need to send some value to this template. So ERB basically means Ruby embedded, embedded Ruby, I mean, sorry. And now we'll just have to go to the controller file. So just go to controllers, main controller.rb. So this was also created by our command. Now I need to send some data from our index, right? So a simple way is to, suppose I want to send this particular variable created by, and here I can just type my name. Yeah, but the AI extension is giving me IntelliSense, nobody. Okay, and I will add one more thing. Suppose tasks, what I need to do. So yeah, buy groceries, do laundry, go to the gym, something like that. Now how do I get this variable inside our index.html? Now Ruby on Rails is smart enough to understand, okay, this index page is linked to this index.html.erb because we created a controller for it, right? So the controller took care for us everything. Now how do I display this? So for this, it is pretty simple. You have to use this, something like this, this bracket, then percent colon percent equal to, and then close that percent as well as that bracket, arrow bracket, or whatever you call it. And I can just use something like this, created underscore by, right? Because that's the value which we used it over here. If you want to wrap it inside some, suppose I want to wrap it inside this h1 tag, I will just remove this, use something like this. I can do that as well. And now if I refresh, here you can see I'm able to see nobody. Same thing you can do for this particular array as well, which we are passing. But for array we will have to use something like for each loop. So suppose I take this ul tag. I don't have users, so why this this AI thing doesn't work properly with Ruby on Rails, but I'll just copy it. Okay, now I just need to replace this with task, right? Because that was our name, tasks. So @task.each, and it will have a task. This can be anything. If you want to name it as user as well, you can do it. And here I will just have to display task. So within a ul tag, sorry, within an li, we will display all the data. So if I refresh, here you can see I'm able to see all the array items inside our HTML file. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.